Most people think becoming rich requires a big salary, a lucky investment, or some secret business idea. But the truth is much simpler. Wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It is built through hundreds of tiny habits repeated every single day. Small actions that seem insignificant today slowly become powerful over time because money follows discipline, and discipline lives inside your daily habits. If you start mastering small habits today, your financial future can quietly change. One of the first habits is tracking every dollar you spend. Most people never really know where their money goes. They spend on small things like coffee, subscriptions, and random online purchases. And at the end of the month, they wonder why nothing is left. But people who build wealth track their spending, because when you track your money, you control it. And when you control your money, you control your future. Another powerful habit is paying yourself first. Most people spend their income and save whatever remains, which usually means nothing remains. Wealthy people do the opposite. The moment they receive money, they save or invest a portion of it, even if it is only 10%, because saving is not something you do later, it is something you do first. A third habit is avoiding impulse buying. The modern world is designed to make you spend, with flash sales, limited offers, and one-click purchases. Before you realize it, your money disappears. Disciplined people follow a simple rule. When they want something, they wait 24 hours before buying it, and most of the time they realize they didn't need it at all. Another important habit is increasing your financial knowledge. Your income grows when your knowledge grows. Many people avoid learning about money, but people who become financially strong constantly educate themselves. They read books, watch educational content, and learn about saving, investing, and financial discipline, because money rewards those who understand it. Building an emergency fund is also essential. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses will always appear, whether it's a medical bill, a car repair, or an emergency situation. People without savings panic, but financially disciplined people prepare by building a fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses, not because they expect problems, but because they want to be ready for them. Another powerful habit is investing consistently. Saving money alone is not enough, because money sitting in a bank grows slowly, but money that is invested begins to work for you. Wealthy people invest regularly, even small amounts every month, because over time, those investments grow through the power of compound growth. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is another key habit. When most people earn more money, they immediately upgrade their lifestyle with better gadgets, clothes, or cars. But people who build real wealth delay lifestyle upgrades and increase their investments instead. They understand that looking rich is very different from actually being rich. Setting clear financial goals also makes a huge difference, because money without direction disappears quickly. Successful people create goals for saving, investing, and long-term freedom, so that every dollar they earn moves towards something meaningful. The people around you also influence your financial habits. If you spend time with people who constantly waste money, that behavior slowly becomes normal. But when you surround yourself with people who value discipline, growth, and financial responsibility, your mindset begins to change, and your actions change with it. Finally, one of the most important habits is focusing on increasing your income. Saving money is powerful, but increasing your earning ability is even more powerful. People who build wealth constantly look for ways to become more valuable by learning new skills, improving themselves, and creating opportunities for higher income. In the end, wealth is not created by luck or one big breakthrough. It is created through small daily habits and consistent discipline. Tiny decisions that seem unimportant today slowly shape your financial future. The future is not built in one dramatic moment. It is built quietly through the choices you make every day. If you start small, track your money, save consistently, invest patiently, and stay disciplined, you will slowly build a strong financial future. The person who masters small habits today will quietly become financially powerful tomorrow.